In this video, we'll explore the best mini chainsaws on the market, highlighting top picks for power, portability, and ease of use. Whether for light pruning or small tasks, these compact tools deliver impressive performance at an affordable price. Let's talk about the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hatchet 8-inch pruning saw. This saw is a powerhouse. With its power state brushless motor, it delivers the performance of a 25 cubic centimeter gas engine, cutting through hardwoods with ease. I put this saw to the test, and it just powered through everything without slowing down. It's incredibly lightweight at under 5 pounds, making it easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. The full house chain reduces vibrations and leaves clean cuts every time. The chain tensioner is easy to access, so adjusting on the fly is a breeze. Plus, the automatic oiler ensures smooth operation for extended productivity. Milwaukee also thought about the details, adding metal bucking spikes for stability during cuts. At $224 for the bare tool, it's an excellent option for anyone looking to boost their pruning game without the hassle of gas-powered equipment. If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful pruning saw, the DEWALT 8-inch pruning saw is a great choice. Weighing just 4.6 pounds without the battery, it's designed to reduce fatigue during long sessions of trimming and pruning. With its compact design, it fits easily into tight spaces, making it perfect for cutting through thick brush or managing daily pruning needs. The high-efficiency brushless motor provides up to 70 cuts per charge on a 4x4 pressure-treated pine, offering excellent runtime and power. Its auto-oiling system ensures continuous lubrication, while the integrated tip guard adds stability during upcuts. Priced around $219 for the kit, which includes a 3-amp-hour battery, charger, and more, this pruning saw delivers a great balance of power and convenience for both homeowners and professionals. If you're looking for a compact and efficient tool for smaller pruning jobs, the Stihl GTA 26 is a fantastic option. This cordless garden pruner offers powerful performance with its 4-inch guide bar and 1/4-inch PM3 saw chain. It delivers fast, clean cuts, perfect for trimming trees, shrubs, and cutting up garden wood. The 10.8-volt battery provides ample power, and with a full charge, you can tackle various tasks with ease. It's super lightweight, weighing just 4.6 pounds without the battery, which reduces fatigue during extended use. Plus, the tool-free chain replacement feature makes maintenance a breeze. The ergonomic handle provides great control, and the LED charge level indicator ensures you know exactly when it's time to recharge. The Stihl GTA 26 is priced around $179, making it an affordable and effective option for homeowners. Looking for a reliable pruning tool? If you're after a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance, I'd recommend the Kobalt 24-volt 6-inch pruning saw. This compact saw gives you reliable cutting power without hitting the $200 mark. It features a 6-inch bar and chain, making it ideal for smaller pruning tasks and branches up to 3 inches thick. While it's not the biggest saw on the market, it's lightweight, easy to handle, and equipped with an automatic oiler to keep things running smoothly. It also includes toolless chain tensioning, so you can make adjustments on the go. The 2Ah battery powers up to 120 cuts per charge, giving you enough runtime for most jobs. At just $149, this pruning saw is a great option if you're looking for value without sacrificing. It's definitely a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable, cost-effective tool for light yard work. If you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly tool for light pruning, the Saker Mini Chainsaw is a great pick. This 4-inch battery-powered chainsaw comes with two 20-volt batteries and 3 chains, which is fantastic value for the price. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle even for longer use, and can be operated with one hand. Its compact design makes it perfect for small tasks like trimming branches or pruning in your garden or yard. With an upgraded copper wire motor, it provides smooth cutting and increased efficiency, making quick work of limbs up to 6 inches thick. The tool also comes with a safety lock to prevent accidental starts, giving peace of mind while using it. At a price of around $59, this mini chainsaw is an affordable and handy tool for everyday yard maintenance, though it may not be suited for heavy-duty tasks.